G'day and welcome to the Char-Griller Gravity 980 Gravity Fed Barbecue. In this video we're going to cover off assembling your new Gravity 980. Before we get into assembly, there's a couple of things you're going to need. First off, you're going to need a second set of hands. You'll have to move the barbecue around, so you're going to need someone to help you move it. You're also going to need a Phillips head screwdriver or a battery drill with a Phillips head attachment and an adjustable spanner. So let's rewind the clock and start from the beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is to remove your barbecue from the packaging and lay it down on something soft so as to prevent any scratching or damage to the barbecue during assembly. The first step is assemble your grease collection channel and the grease cup housing. Following that, you want to assemble your four legs, your bottom shelf, and your four wheels. Next, fit your front panel. Then, with the help of a second person, lift your barbecue upright, open the hopper lid and remove the charcoal box. Following that, mount your fire entrance box and your fan box. Next, install the hood handle, followed by the damper cover, then controller. Now we fit the folding front shelf. Moving to the inside of the cook chamber, we fit the fire channel support bracket and the fire channel. Next is the heat tent, the grates, and the grease cup. Now we can put our charcoal box back in the hopper. Now don't worry about the protective cardboard inside the hopper, that will burn off during seasoning. While we're here, we'll put in our fire shutter and our ash pan. Now we need to connect up our wiring at the fan box. Each of these cables has a male end and a female end, and they're spaded so they slot in together nice and easily. They're also labelled as well. So the two ends labelled red 1 go together, the two ends labelled yellow 1 go together, so on and so forth. You do need to take care that you are connecting the right cables together. Then make sure that your cable cover is fitted correctly to protect your cables. And finally, we do exactly the same thing at the controller end. Ensure that our cables are connected as per the labelling on the cables and fit our cable cover. And there you have your beautiful new Char-Griller Gravity 980 assembled and ready for seasoning.